I'm Stan Kremke. I started my business, Wood Renew, 20 years ago. Wood Renew cleans and restores exterior wood, decks, fences, and cedar siding. 10 years ago, we started franchising at Concept. So we'd been franchising several years, and we couldn't get past that milestone that we had been working for years. Our sales were stagnant, frustration level, franchisees' confidence. It was beating us up. It was beating them up. So we brought People-Centric Consulting Group into one of our franchise conventions, let them facilitate the entire convention, and things turned around from there. We used their open format. We really sat back and listened to our franchisees, found out what their concerns were, and then took that information and built on it. Now we're all back on the same page. It's exciting. I look forward to calling franchisees. I look forward to getting calls from them. Their sales are way up, which means my sales are way up. It has just totally changed my world. Probably one of the easiest businesses for me to refer is the People-Centric Consulting Group. So, if you're in your own business, even if things are going great, but you feel like there's something else out there, and maybe it's sales, maybe it's just communication with your employees. I say this over and over, but the hardest thing to do working with these guys is making that first call. It has truly changed my quality of life, the quality of my business.